Good morning.
AM, I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said.
Good morning. I'm tired.
I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get. I stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
Good morning, guys. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth now, and since I usually work out at night, I don't usually work out in the morning. I'm just gonna do my skincare routine and make a nice breakfast. My mom is calling right now. Hello.
Many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I hold. Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow. If only I just listened to your warnings. You told me that my foolishness had consequences. Going to confession, desperate for redemption. I listen to God's word, but don't practice what I've heard. Friends tell me to stop stressing, that life is a blessing. You only live once, do what your heart wants. I keep replaying all the memories, looking for a way to cure this pain. I'm such a mess, trying to reset the time right from the start. There are
many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I hold.
So you guys, I'm just gonna take my hair vitamin and then we're gonna make breakfast. Yay! we're gonna make some pancakes. Maybe. I think we're gonna make some pancakes with some yogurt and blueberries and bananas and maple syrup. Hi, baby. So, my mom didn't quite feel like having pancakes, so we're gonna make French toast. I've actually never made it before, so we'll see how it goes. I have a recipe here and I'll try to follow it as well as much as I can. We'll see.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh,
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone. If we were to go separate ways,
'cause with you I feel like
who knows we go.
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple loving.
And look at that. I just put a little bit of yogurt on there. I'm gonna mash my blueberries into the yogurt. And my mom and a neighbor says, well, my friend says that they're really good. So I'm happy. I got the burnt one, so let's see how that is. That is so good. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this with my family, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, my mom is going for a second, so I guess it's good. You can't even taste that it's a little bit burnt. Like, you guys have to try it. I'll leave the recipe down below. It's amazing. Seriously. So you guys, I am on my desk having to study all these topics, which is really fun. So we're gonna be productive now. And yeah, this was my morning routine. I hope you guys liked it. The French toast again. If you don't try it, please just try it. Honestly, it was so mind-blowingly good. Honestly, I've had it before in New York and mine was better. So please try it out, and I hope you guys have a really nice weekend. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and hit the bell if you want to be